Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup GCP Filestore backups for quick VDS restoration. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To backup GCP Filestore for quick VDS restoration, begin by logging into your Google Cloud Console. Navigate to the Filestore section from the left-hand menu. Select the Filestore instance that you wish to backup. Make sure the instance is in the desired state before proceeding. Click on Create Backup at the top of the Filestore Details page. Fill in the required details for the backup. Choose a meaningful name that reflects the contents of the backup for easier identification later. Select the backup location to store your backup data. After filling in the information, review all details to ensure accuracy. Once confirmed, click on Create to initiate the backup process. You will see a confirmation message indicating that the backup is being created. Monitor the progress of the backup within the Filestore interface. Wait for the backup to complete before moving on to the next steps. To restore from a backup, go back to the Filestore section in your Google Cloud Console. Select Backups from the Filestore menu. Locate the backup you want to restore. Click on the Restore button next to the selected backup. Provide the necessary information for the restoration, such as the target Filestore instance. Review your restoration settings to avoid any mistakes. Once everything looks good, click on Restore to start the restoration process. Monitor the restoration progress within the Filestore interface. After completion, verify that all data has been restored correctly in your Filestore instance. Remember to conduct periodic backups to ensure you have the latest data available for restoration when necessary. By following these steps, you can efficiently backup and restore GCP Filestore data for quick VDS restoration. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.